Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try out the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So in the mail today, I was surprised to get a package, and inside the package was this Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer, Probiotics and Rooibos. I don't have too much going on in my life right now, so I figured why not make a video? I was actually really excited to get this for two reasons. The first one is that I tried the Derma E Collagen Serum, and I didn't realize how much I liked that until it was gone. I thought it was just okay when I was using it, but once it was completely used up, I immediately started missing it. And I still kind of miss that serum. So I actually do like Derma E products. I think they are really high quality and really good. And the second reason is because I had a vitamin C serum from Ole Henriksen, which is like $80, and I'm definitely never going to spend that much on a serum. But I did notice a huge difference in my skin. I have eczema around my eyes, so in that video you can't really tell how much my skin improved from that serum. But the rest of my skin looked amazing, and I used that for like 3 or 4 months, and once the eczema cleared up, I don't think my skin has ever looked that good. So I'm really excited to have this vitamin C moisturizer because I want to see if it was actually that Ole Henriksen serum that was good, or if it's just vitamin C, because if it is, then this could be a much cheaper and better option for a vitamin C product. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, and then we'll talk about what it's supposed to do. I really enjoy the yellow packaging. My collagen serum was the exact same except it was purple. And I just think that the packaging is really simple and nice. And I do love that everything from them pretty much comes with a pump. Also, the box is yellow on the inside. It says, this lightweight radiance boosting moisturizer may support collagen health, helping to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, fine lines, and wrinkles. I love that. I do have fine lines and wrinkles, and I do have a little bit of uneven skin tone. It's not my most major concern, but I do have some like acne spots and just like other kind of spots that if this makes a difference, that would be awesome. 82% saw improved skin radiance and brightness. So I'd like some skin brightness, especially in this winter time in Canada. So let's see what it looks like. So you could probably tell by the type of container, but the consistency is very thin and watery for a moisturizer. But it does feel very hydrating once you get it onto your skin. There's a familiar smell to this, and I don't know what it is. It's not sunscreen exactly, but maybe like some sort of like burn cream or something. And I'm gonna put it on my eyes as well, just to see if it irritates the eczema. You know, I have pretty bad eczema around my eyes right now, and it stings a little bit on this eye, but actually, compared to most moisturizers, it's not that bad. I love these Derma E products. I think they're really good for sensitive skin. It's also good until 2023, so you have a really long time to use these. My face feels a little bit tight. It's been a few minutes, and it does feel, yeah, like a little bit on the tight side. It's definitely sank in really quickly. I don't hate how it's feeling, even though it is feeling like just a tiny bit tight. So I am going to try out this Derma E moisturizer for a whole week, and then at the end of the week I'm going to tell you my opinion, whether I like it. I'm definitely going to do a before and after as well. So actually I've already put it on, so I should probably give you the before right now. Here is the before, so you can see I have acne spots and wrinkles. and we'll see in a week how it's looking. Here is what my skin looks like after applying the vitamin C moisturizer twice a day for a week. Okay, so I'm back after using it for a week, and I do have my final thoughts. I looked up the price, and it really varies from place to place. So you can find it from anywhere from $22 to about $37. But where they sell this near me, it does go on sale pretty often. So I'm sure you could get it for like $25 or so. And thinking about it, I'm not sure yet whether I would spend $25 on this. It's not quite moisturizing enough for me, especially in the Canadian winter. It is so dry, my skin is so dry, and so I found I really had to use a lot of this for my skin to feel nice and moisturized. So in the winter, I would normally combine this with an oil, or it might be perfect for the summer. Overall, it is not quite as brightening as the Ole Henriksen one. If you are looking for something to brighten your face, that will brighten your face, but it will also cost you $80. So I don't know if you want to make that investment. This one does brighten, but just not to the extent that that one did. It did also make my skin feel a little bit tighter in a good way, especially right after I apply it. So it does feel like a little bit more youthful and a little bit tighter, and I do like that feeling. So I definitely like this. I'm just not sure yet if it's like an absolute favorite of mine. I would love to know your thoughts. Do you own this? Do you love this? Do you love other Derma E products? Which one should I try next? And thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.